Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tutorialify. In this video, we are going to be learning how to add a table in Canva. Adding a table in Canva is simple and it allows you to create structured content. First of all, make sure to open your Canva application on your desktop or your mobile device. Once you're inside the home page, log into your account like you normally do, and then from the home page, tap on the plus button at the bottom of the screen. Now, select a template you'd like to use, or you can also create a blank canvas in order to make a design onto a blank canvas. Once you open up this designing page, look at the bottom of the screen and tap on the Elements option. Now, inside the Elements search box, type in table, and then once you make a search for it, you will then be able to see different table designs you can choose from. Select the type of table you'd like to add onto your project, and there you have successfully added a table in Canva. Resize and reposition the table by dragging the edges. You can also increase or decrease the size, adjust the rows, columns, and edit text as needed as well. And that's how you easily add a table in one of your Canva designs. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss out another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.